welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Euphorbia box for the month of May. So this is how this month's pouch basically looks. Now before we jump to the unboxing and before we open the pouch and everything, let's talk a little bit about Euphorbia box. So if you are hearing about Euphorbia box for the first time, then let me mention that Euphorbia box is a very affordable beauty subscription box here in India that comes for just rupees 309 per month including shipping. And if you guys want to know more about Euphorbia box, then make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box. I have mentioned everything in details. Also, I provided you guys with the direct link of Euphorbia box's website. Now let's proceed with the pouch as we were talking about it. So basically the pouch is very cute. I think these are available in 2 or 3 colors. I've also seen this in blue, so I think they are sending out random colors, but the one that I have received is red, as you can see. But one thing that I would like to mention about this pouch is that just now when I opened it, I noticed that this one kind of seems to be a waterproof one. I'm not sure about it, but I'll definitely write it down in my description box. But if this one is really a waterproof pouch, then I think that Euphorbia box has really come out with a really good idea. Now let's dive into the products and let's see what is the first product we have received. So first let me take out the card. So this is how this month's card looks. It says make your own sunshine, and here's the other side of the card. So the first product in here is the 7 C's liquid lipstick, which is worth rupees 299, and it is in the shade number 117. So this is a really pretty maroon shade. I have previously used lipsticks from 7 C's. I have received them in my previous Euphorbia box, and I've really liked the formula. It stays pretty long, and I also love the pigmentation of these lipsticks. Moving on to the next product. So the next product is from AM Greens, and it's a Sun Erase Cooling Summer Facial Oil, which is worth rupees 1199. So this one is an expensive product. So it basically has a blend of different oils in it. So basically this product has jojoba oil, coconut, aloe vera, butter, cardamom extracts, tamanu oil, lavender and rosemary in it. So all the good stuffs, and what it basically does is that it cools down your skin. And guys, one thing that I would like to mention about this particular product is that this is an oil. So what it clearly says on the package is that you're supposed to use a pea-sized amount of this product. So you have to use a very little, so it's going to last you really long. Also guys, if you have really oily skin, it clearly mentions that if you need, you can dilute it with water and use. So that's a really good thing. The next product in here is a nail and cuticle health cream from the brand Aranium, and this one is priced at rupees 300. So this is how the product basically looks, guys, and it says that it's a natural recipe for rejuvenation of the nails, cuticles and skin surrounding the nails. It improves the overall nail health. So I'm really looking forward to try this one. So it says all you have to do is just massage a tiny amount of nail cream into the bare nails, cuticles and skin surrounding the nails. A little bit goes a long way. So this is especially for people who have like really weak nails, like if you have very brittle nails. I think this is going to be so good for you. Finally, coming to the last product. So the last product in the box is a pair of Meenakari earrings, which is worth rupees 250. Now guys, this is how they look on me, and I love the way they look, and I just love the color of the earring. It's very lightweight, but at the same time it's huge and looks like it's very gorgeous. So guys, with that, it's a wrap up. Now if you ask me what were my favorite products in this month's box, then it has to be the pouch itself. I just love the pouch. Also, I'm really looking forward to try out this oil, and I just love the lip shade. Overall guys, I think this month's bag is a really good deal, and if you guys want to go ahead and get this bag for yourself, then you can check out the link down in my description box. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.